Rogue planet. A rogue planet is a planet with no star. It either formed in isolation inside a collapsing cloud of gas, or it was expelled from a developing solar system by gravitational disturbance before it could settle into a stable orbit. Current estimates suggest there are more rogue planets drifting through the Milky Way than there are stars. Some may retain subsurface liquid water, kept warm by radioactive decay in their interiors rather than by sunlight. They are nearly impossible to detect because they emit almost no light. Quasar. A quasar is the intensely luminous core of a distant galaxy, powered by a supermassive black hole actively pulling in surrounding matter. As material spirals inward, it heats to billions of degrees and radiates across the full electromagnetic spectrum. The most luminous quasars outshine every star in their host galaxy combined by a factor of 1 trillion. The most distant confirmed quasar formed when the universe was less than 700 million years old. When we observe them, we are seeing light that left before the Earth existed. Magnetar. A magnetar is a neutron star with a magnetic field roughly 1,000 trillion times stronger than Earth's. A teaspoon of its material weighs approximately 1 billion tons. The field is strong enough to distort atomic structure, compressing electrons into elongated shapes that no longer exist in normal conditions. From halfway to the moon, a magnetar would erase every magnetic stripe on the planet. They can release more energy in 1/10 of a second than the sun emits in 100,000 years. Fast radio burst. A fast radio burst is a pulse of radio energy arriving from deep space that lasts less than 1 millisecond. In that fraction of a second, it releases more energy than the sun produces in 3 days. The first was found in 2007 inside archived telescope data. Most appear once and never repeat. A small number recur on irregular schedules. The source of the majority has not been confirmed. The leading candidate is a magnetar, but the mechanism behind non-repeating bursts remains open. Cosmic void. A cosmic void is a region of space containing almost no galaxies. They form because gravity concentrates matter into filaments and walls over billions of years, draining the space between those structures. The largest known, the Booty's void, spans roughly 300 million light-years. A point inside it would have the nearest galaxy tens of millions of light-years away in every direction. Approximately 80% of the total volume of the observable universe is void. White hole. A white hole is the time-reversed counterpart of a black hole. Where a black hole draws everything in, a white hole ejects everything out and cannot be entered from the outside. The mathematics of general relativity permit white holes without contradiction. None have ever been observed. One hypothesis holds that matter consumed by a black hole eventually emerges from a connected white hole elsewhere in spacetime. A separate proposal suggests the Big Bang itself was a white hole event. Neither has been tested. Strange star. A strange star is a hypothetical compact object made entirely of strange quark matter. If a neutron star is compressed beyond a certain point, neutrons may dissolve into their constituent quarks, which then recombine into a denser and theoretically more stable configuration called strange matter. This state of matter, if it exists, would be the most energetically stable form of matter in the universe. Any ordinary matter that came into contact with it would be converted into strange matter instantly and irreversibly. No strange star has been confirmed, but several neutron stars have properties that current models do not fully explain. Thanks for watching. If you have a theory on any of these, or know of one that explains something we left open, put it in the comments. Also, please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.